Do not miss your chance to craft and make some one-of-a-kind jewelry this weekend during the DIY earring buffet over at Treasurology in Granger. Miss Meg, you're joining us this morning again.
I am. We have fun things brewing.
I love when you stop by. You always have something that I'm thinking, oh, this would be so fun to do with a group of friends, with your family, because especially we're not wanting to go outside right now.
No, it's all indoor activities for me.
If you want to go outside, you do you, boo. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to do the DIY earring buffet. So what is an earring buffet?
Okay, so these are all of my own personal baubles and trinkets and treasures, and I lay them all. So imagine this, but times 10 on a big long table, and you get to come and pick whatever you like out of here, design your own earrings, but then I'll assemble them for you. So no skill required.
No skill required.
No,
you have the skills.
I've got the skills. I can do it for you. So you just come and lay out a little design.
I love this. I mean, you said baubles. Look, I have to like pull some of these up.
I know. Look at these baubles. Did you see these with the little trinkets inside?
They've got little trinkets. Oh, so fun. I mean, you can do
if you
really
have
just about any idea.
Yeah, and if you've got stuff at home that you like, broken necklaces or beads or charms
that you didn't know what to do with it,
bring it in. I will help you turn it into a nice pair of earrings that you would like to wear, on the daily.
So you picked out, because I'm sure I just picked a handful of stuff because my aesthetic is normally gaudy.
Oh, I love gaudy.
That's
love
what I'm naturally drawn to, but then I might need to put it together. So you picked a little trinket. You're assembling right now.
I am.
And you said these are little Alice in Wonderland.
In Wonderland. So one is the white rabbit.
Get my hand out of the way. So
one is the white rabbit, and one is Alice. And we're going to put a little. I just decided we should put a gear on there, make it a tiny bit steampunky. So you'll see how quickly these go together, and once they are assembled, you can wear them right out the door.
So you're going to assemble it right there.
Yeah,
you don't
on
need
the
to pick
spot, girl.
Oh, see, I'm thinking I'm coming. You need some time, and then we're on it right away. So you picked, I think, 3 different. You picked the look at you go right there. You have the figurine. You've got the bauble. You've got the gear. And are you can see some of these right here?
If you like smaller ones, you can do a little more dainty. If you like the big old earrings, I mean, go nuts. You can make whatever you like, and I will help you with your design choices, and we will make it work.
And you said even if you have maybe a brooch or something at home. Oh, look at that. We've got it right here.
Isn't that cute?
I know. This is adorable. Alice in Wonderland.
So you get 2, but we always do.
Yes.
We have 2 pair for $34 and then $16 per additional pair. So they're not expensive.
No. Does it depend on what you pick?
It's just, you can go crazy. My stuff is your stuff at this buffet.
I mean, that is a true buffet.
Yeah, it's a buffet. It's
all you can eat.
All you can design. That's the buffet.
All you can design buffet. But this is a specific event.
It is, and it's on Friday. We have 2 seatings, 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. This coming Friday, and you do need to make a reservation, so I've got enough chairs.
How do we do that?
All you have to do is text me, and the number's all over my Facebook and my Instagram and my
text
website.
The business line that you're coming.
Yeah.
And I mean, of course, this would be a great event to do with your friends.
Yeah, and that's the other thing. If you ever want to do this as a private event, you just text me, say, Miss Meg, I want to bring my crew of 6 or more, and we're going to sit down at your buffet and make earrings for an afternoon.
Really at any time. Because these are treasures at Treasurology that you keep and you have really all year long. So if you're thinking, I can't attend on Friday, but this would be a great thing to do. You know, there is that Valentine's Day.
Oh, girl.
Coming up around the corner.
Tell
you
me
want to
about
make something sentimental.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
This would be perfect.
That'd be perfect.
But you're also doing, I mean, look at this. This is just some images of other events you've done. Always something happening over at Treasurology, but you're also doing a craft of the month. So if you can't make it out to a specific evening on Friday, we are smelling the craft of the month. I smell it over here.
It's aromatic.
What is the craft of the month?
Craft of the month in the Creation Station is a scent bar. So we have a plethora of essential oils, and I have the recipe to make a gorgeous scent just for you, customized. You pick whatever you like.
This is a scent we can wear.
Scent you can
Look
wear.
at that. So we've got the essential oils. Yeah.
And it's easy peasy. I break it down.
You put it in. You called these something very
Oh my gosh,
fancy
girl!
earlier
I know
in the
you're not
break,
picking
Meg.
them up because you had your coffee.
I had too much coffee today, and you brought me glass. I'm going. This is not a good combination.
Egyptian blown glass.
Look how beautiful.
And they have the little stoppers.
Okay, look
Isn't
at
that gorgeous?
That is gorgeous.
So that would be a beautiful Valentine's gift to make for somebody, or just to treat yourself. And it's not expensive. It's $18 for the whole thing. You get the scent and the bottle.
And this you can do anytime during your open hours. What are your hours
My
now?
retail hours are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I also have in the Creation Station a little jewelry making area. So you can come in anytime I'm open and get crafty. You don't even have to make a reservation or anything.
Get crafty. I love that. But it's also not just a craft store. You can shop.
Girl, I have so much.
Or you can shop for them too.
Exactly. I can be a personal shopper. I can do whatever you want, but there are so many cool new things in the shop. Vintage Valentines, they're the cutest things.
Love that.
I have a whole prom section now for the winter dances and prom bling.
Oh, we need some bling.
I'm about to post a little video
Oh,
about
we're
that.
going to post that video. Well, we want to make sure that you get more information about the DIY earring buffet with Miss Meg. It is happening this Friday, January the 13th, Friday the 13th, but have a little bit of a lucky evening.
The 13th.
I know, it's going to be great from 5 to 6 p.m. Text for your reservation 269-240-4174, or you check out treasurologyshop.com, or easy enough, follow Treasurology over on Facebook.